Hey, give credit where credit's due. I mean, he came back faster than I thought. Last year we were here, Jake Peavy might be finished. He had one of the worst arm injuries that you can have. The bone was off the muscle. I don't know anything about this stuff. Then he tried to pitch a few weeks back, felt discomfort. Now tonight he goes up against the Angels. Monumental. I mean, how the White Sox go may depend on tonight's start. If he starts field shoulder discomfort, arm discomfort with about 6 innings left in the game, if he only throws 40 pitches and he doesn't feel good, it's bad. But if this guy can be on a pitch count tonight, and he's one guy you want on a pitch count, and he can go for 5 innings, maybe get a win, this is going to make this team, which has won 3 in a row, automatically feel good about themselves. They're only 8 under 500 now. A lot of time left. They're looking a lot better than they did. Hey, but there's a long way to go, and that's what they got to do. So good luck to Jake Peavy tonight. Pitch count, let's go. I'm just saying, brought to you by Vienna Beef.